Hey there, Wanderers! Welcome back to WonderWorksLab, where we explore how everyday things work. Today, we're going to dive into something you probably see at home, a washing machine. Have you ever wondered how it magically cleans your clothes? Well, let's find out. Let's start by looking at the main parts of a washing machine. Inside is a big spinning drum where you put your clothes. There's also a water inlet to fill the machine with water, a detergent drawer for your soap, and of course, the control panel with all the buttons you push to start the cycle. When you turn on the washing machine, water flows through the water inlet and fills up the drum. The water mixes with the detergent from the drawer to get everything ready for cleaning. Once the water and detergent are inside, the drum starts spinning. This spinning helps agitate the clothes, meaning it moves them around so the water and soap can clean every part of your clothes. The drum spins in different directions to make sure everything gets nice and clean. After the clothes are washed, the machine drains the soapy water and then fills up with fresh water to rinse the clothes. Then, the drum spins even faster in the spin cycle to get rid of the extra water, so your clothes aren't soaking wet when you take them out. Once the rinse and spin cycle is done, the washing machine pumps the water out through a drain hose. That's how it gets rid of the dirty water, leaving your clothes clean and ready to dry. So, to sum it up, the washing machine fills with water, spins the drum to clean your clothes, rinses away the soap, and then spins fast to remove the water. It's like a superhero for your dirty laundry. So now you know how it works. That's pretty cool, right? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more awesome explanations. And if you've got something you're curious about, leave us a comment below. Maybe we'll explain it in our next video.